Hey there, fellow bank enthusiasts. If you're a Wells Fargo customer, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into how to deposit a check using their super convenient mobile deposit feature. This nifty tool lets you handle your banking from the comfort of your couch, saving you time and trips to the branch. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. You'll need to be logged into your account, so go ahead and open the app and enter your credentials. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, look for the Deposit or Mobile Deposit option. It's usually right on the home screen or under a menu like Accounts or Transfers. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to select the account where you want the funds to go. Quick tip: double check that you've chosen the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Now, for the fun part, preparing your check. Before you snap a photo, remember to endorse the back of the check by signing it in writing, for mobile deposit only, if required. This helps prevent fraud and ensures a smooth process. Next, the app will guide you to take clear photos of both the front and back of the check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area so the app can read all the details accurately. Hold your phone steady, align the check within the frame, and let the app capture it automatically. If it doesn't look right, you can retake the photo. After that, review the images and any entered details like the amount. Once everything checks out, hit Submit or Deposit Now. You'll get a confirmation on screen, and usually, the funds will be available in your account within a day or two, depending on the check. A few pro tips to wrap this up. Always keep your original check safe until the deposit clears, and shred it afterward to protect your info. If you run into any issues, the app has helpful support resources or you can chat with a Wells Fargo representative. There you have it. That's how easy it is to deposit a check with Wells Fargo Mobile Deposit. Give it a try next time and make your banking life a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.